Hello Northern California, Zach O'Brien here with Active NorCal, and we are in the Mount Shasta area today to explore one of the little known gems of the area. We're gonna hike through 19th century ruins to a waterfall payoff of Faery Falls. Follow along with us. See, it's actually a pretty easy hike, only a little bit less than a mile and a half. We're right next to Ney Creek, which is down a canyon. We're about to see the ruins of Ney Springs Resort. Check it out. We're here at the Ney Springs Resorts. This is a really cool structure. This was actually a hotel founded in 1889, and this actually used to house 50 people. It had a carriage house, a bathhouse, and of course its big hotel. Now it's just ruins that have been overtaken by the forest, but really cool to see this history in the area on our hike up to a beautiful waterfall. Once you get about a mile up the road, there's a little turnoff to the left, and that'll lead you to a 50-foot waterfall. It's a beautiful one, Faery Falls. Let's check it out. And finally we made it here to the 50-foot beauty, Faery Falls. Now in the springtime, this thing is gushing with water, and with the great snowpack we had this winter, we're seeing a lot of water up until June. Now it gets a little bit lighter during the late summer months, but nonetheless, it's a fun, easy hike and a beautiful natural air conditioning. We just got down off Mount Shasta doing a little hiking, and we came to stay the night here at the brand new LOGE Camps. Now this is a new hotel for outdoor adventures in the area. Everything here is built for people who love the outdoors in Mount Shasta. Now it's still very much under construction, but we have a sneak peek at the brand new, really cool rooms. Let's go check them out. Look at how high these ceilings are. This is amazing. First things first, you got the bike racks, very important. The room is very simple. You got the Yeti cooler you can use to put your drinks in. They even have a s'more kit and grilling pellets that you can use while you're here. But one of the coolest things about this room is the hammock that goes right through. Now this is what I call a hotel room.
Oh, it's gold, Jerry.
Okay.
It's gold.